Hi everyone, my name is Nina, and I'm a project lead on the Funding Box side, which is a partner of the NGI Search project. And today I will be telling you more about the NGI Search project, and it's currently running second open call. A bit more about the NGI initiative. It's the big initiative launched by the European Commission back in 2019 with the aim of shaping the future internet into being more human-centric and more transparent and more inclusive. It focuses on promoting values such as trust, privacy, and decentralization while still fostering the innovation. It addresses challenges and opportunities in areas of artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, data privacy, IoT, blockchain, and many other areas. Currently, there's more than 700 projects funded already under the NGI initiative, and the number is going up each month, I would say. And you can check, these are some of the projects, you can check all the projects funded on the NGI.eu. In this context, the EU-funded project NGI Search, that is under the umbrella of the NGI initiative, is here to ideally change our way and experience of using and experiencing the way how we search and discover on the internet data and resources. The project kicked off in September, last September, and it's going to last until August 2025. There are 5 project partners running the show of the NGI Search. Arcus University is the coordinator of the project. Then there's my dear Funding Box. It's a go-to funding platform and main guy in running the Cascade funding in Europe. Then we have University of Murcia, Linknovate Science. Those guys are great in, like, one of the greatest in scouting any hidden researchers that are away from the traditional channels of funding scheme. And finally, OW2, our marketing and communication leader that is providing all kinds of services to the projects that are being selected and supporting the project. So we have 5 open calls planned in this project, 4 more to go. One was already closed in this February, and projects selected already kicked off with the program recently. So currently we're running the second open call, which is closing 1st of June, but you still have time to fill out the applications. So in these open calls, we are calling all talented researchers, innovators, and activists that are working in search and discovery within the NGI context and European values. The benefits of the open calls are getting up to 150 Ks per project and entering the 12-month program, support and mentoring program, using 10 added value services that I will explain to you a bit later. Now, each open call is basically the same, but slightly different in terms of topics. And in this second open call, there's a stronger emphasis to the research area and than the previous one, and also any type of energy reduction, meaning green technologies, is very welcome to be addressed in the projects. So these are 7 topics. The first one, power cognitive search by reinforcement learning. So by using reinforcement learning, we aim to create search systems and that learn from users' interactions, making them better at choosing the right data to provide more relevant to provide more relevant results, search results. So here we are looking for ambitious researchers and development projects that can take cognitive search to another next level. Machine-based data brings challenges that need to be addressed based on its specific characteristics. So here we are aiming to tackle these challenges by providing tools to access trustworthy machine-based data. As the amount of web content is growing rapidly, traditional taxonomies are becoming outdated and struggle to keep up with the emerging knowledge. And also many times they fail to satisfy users' interest. So here, NGI search focuses on finding the creation of the new taxonomies using intelligent solutions and methods. Network analysis, well, knowledge graphs and other kinds of network structures help gaining insights about certain contexts so NGI search is here looking for innovative methods to perform network analysis. AI-based search tools and content generators are nowadays pretty much without the certain set framework of validation and evaluation. So here we are aiming to find projects that can propose ways to analyze the accuracy and privacy of these tools and data being generated by them. Ethics, of course, so to ensure that algorithms are not violating basic human rights, we need to set the ethic framework. It's crucial to set the ethic framework also. So NGI here is searching, NGI search is searching for projects that will propose and create the framework that properly analyze the ethical points of search and discovery advancement. And this is the final one. And here, basically anything, almost anything falls into this frame. So anything related to search and discovery can be considered. Anything fundamental that brings value will be considered. Value-added services that I was mentioning before. So these are the services that we, as a project consortium, will be providing to the project selected throughout the 12-month program, which is what the program lasts. So we have technical business and innovation services. University of Murcia will provide mentoring sessions based on the needs of the project. Beta testing is run by the OW2. Both of them, OW2 and Uni of Murcia, will provide general advices on how to approach to a big open source foundations and contacts. Then we have the business one. OW2 is providing a market readiness program. Funding Box is running pitch workshops pitch training workshops for projects to pitch their solutions finally. And Arcus University has a strong experience providing business coaching and helping to create business models particularly to the NGI projects. So they are doing business modeling and coaching. And finally, the innovation ones. OW2 is providing guidance in the selection and management of the open source licenses. Selected projects will get the Linknovate, unlimited access to the Linknovate platform. We are also providing appropriate open science practices, and finally, Funding Box is making sure that project development and results are gaining deserved visibility, and we are disseminating the results of the project very regularly throughout the program. A little bit about the second open call basic rules. So again, open call benefits are joining the NGI search program of up to 12 months, receiving funding of up to 50K if the applicant is a natural person, and 150K if an applicant is an organization, and also option to receive the services that I just explained. About the eligibility, we are calling basically everyone. Any individuals or organizations looking to change the ways how we use how we search and discover on the internet. So we are calling both natural persons and organization. We also accept consortia of natural person and organization and the combination of those two. The only limit there is three members per team. Also, one thing to have in mind here, we have a guide for applicant and frequently asked question files on the website, and we strongly encourage all our applicants to go through those files multiple times, because it will get you there more, better. 4 stages of evaluation process. So we have eligibility check, minimum quality criteria, external evaluation, and consensus meeting. If you pass those 4, congratulations, you got selected, and you get to sign the sub-grant agreement contract with us. Sub-grant agreement contract can be seen on the website also, so you can check the contract points and what's in there. About the open call application and submission, when you hit the apply button on the open call site, first thing you have to do is create a Funding Box user account. Then you can proceed with the application. The process is fully online. Each field is mandatory to fill out. You will be able to submit it after you fill out all the fields. You can save your application and come back later. Even if you submitted it, you can go and make changes still. There is no need to process any paperwork at this point. This will happen only when you get selected. What else? Yeah, we also prepared the instruction file. It's a very nice file on the open call site where you have all the steps listed of the application process and what we are asking from you in the application form. Also, thing to remember, you can submit only one proposal per project. So make sure that if you created and submitted more than one application, make sure to delete the old ones. Only the first one submitted will be taken into account and will be evaluated. And here's some final tips on how to fill out the application. So you can add a team member to help you out, filling it out. Please mind the deadline. Don't do it 5 minutes to midnight, because things can happen. You need to fill out all the fields. Only the first proposal, like I said, that was submitted will be evaluated. First proposal for the same project. And you can edit the application all the way until the deadline, even after you submitted it. And if you have any questions, we have a dedicated email, ngisearch.fundingbox.com, and we have an official open call help desk where project partners are getting back to you really, really fast. So whenever you have a question, please let us know. And Mirko Presser, a professor from the Arcus University, coordinator, is here today. So if you have any questions, and I'll be around, and now also, so we are here to provide any doubts that you might have. And that would be it. Thank you very much for your attention.
Questions? I guess that's it then. Thank you.